Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. Let me show the trades taken this week. So this is the first trade Euro Aussie taken on 18th August using my system, Creative Happy system to the downside here, 65 pip. This one, the second one is Euro USD going to the upside on the 18th also, and this is for 60 pip. And this is a USD yen going to the downside on 19. Sell orders right there. Everything you see by the setup by the book, according to the four conditions that I have to have before I pull the trigger. So sell order, you can see this yellow mark and entry sign here, and then from distance, all the way from here to this yellow mark is 230 pip. Second trade, second entry from the other computer, USD yen, same day, same thing. It's for 250 pip to the downside. This one is pound yen 7-minute chart on the 19th, all the way to 260 pip as well. Sell orders right there. Yen was getting strong, so all yen pair went down at the same time. Euro yen 7-minute chart 19th, all the way down to 200 pip. This one is CAD yen also going down for 75 pip. This one is pound Aussie going down for 95 pip, all on 19th. This is gold going to the upside on 19. Buy order is right there. This one is pound yen for 90 pip. Now, all yen pair turning to the upside. So you will see all to the upside. Pound yen, this is euro yen going to the upside, 110 pip. This Aussie yen went to the upside, 85 pip on the 19th, all on the 19th. So now this one is gold going to the upside from here to here. This one is a Bitcoin going from here to here. This system, you can use the system in MT4 and whatever you can open in MT4, for example, stock market or indices, indexes and commodities, oil, anything you can trade. You just have to adjust it and that's it. And you can trade and you find beautiful entries, by the book entries, four conditions, have to have four conditions before you pull the trigger. All right, so this is gold all the way to the upside. And this one is USD yen, 7-minute chart, 140 pip to the downside. This one, pound yen going to the downside for 145 pip. This one is euro USD going to the upside for 80 pip. And all these trades, by the way, this is this week alone from Monday till now. Today is early in the morning on Friday, 3 a.m. And I have the whole day right now, right? So next trade is pound yen for 110 pip to the upside. USD yen to the upside for 70 pip. This one is pound USD going to the upside for 65 pip. This one Aussie yen going down for 65 pip. This one is USD yen going down for 65 pip. 65 plus, right? 66, 67, 68. So I just keep it, like 60, 65, 70, 75, something like that. 150 pip, 150 brick size chart, gold actually, right? Going from 25.7 to 25.15 on the 21st. This one gold on the 22nd, keep going to the upside. This is the next trade is pound yen for 70 pip to the upside. And this is pound Aussie for 100 pip to the upside. And these are 28 trades in just 1 week. Last week I had almost 40 trades, and before that was 41 trade. This system gives you entry and perfect entries. It's like more than 70% positive entries. You get multiple instruments and lots of entries, right? So you can pinpoint your entry in any like currency or gold or Bitcoin or whatever you want to trade, right? So a very good system and easy to learn, right? You must learn, but it is very easy to learn. Now, if anybody subscribe this system, then you also get you become a part of this Telegram group as well, where I constantly post heads up and post my charts, analysis, and different things, videos, and all of that for my subscriber to help them find the good trades, right? So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then you can go on my website here, creativetrading.system.com, and you will find here different things for your interest, whatever suits you. You can subscribe, like monthly, 6 months, or yearly, Or if you need to learn a whole business from A to Z, then you have one-on-one course here, 10-hour course, intensive course, big course, including every single thing A to Z Forex has to offer, including harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, blah, 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 right? And I have a short course as well for 5 hours, right? This one video course is here, Elliott wave course and harmonic pattern course. These two courses are very, very powerful. You have information here where you're not going to get anywhere else. Different techniques, how to trade these patterns and Elliott waves. And I also teach you in these courses that even if the pattern is failed and if it's not working out, then you can still have a positive trade and how to do it. And you become master of Fibonacci, how to use the Fibonacci tool as well. And here I have my robots available here, right? So it's a lot of goodies here on my website. So, and now right now I have a Telegram free trial going on. So if you want to test drive, you can just join my Telegram here. And also I have discount going on right now. So take advantage of that. Everything, most of the things I have available is 50% off. So yeah, you can take advantage of that as well. So this is it for now. Whoever subscribe, my subscribers, for my subscribers, I do two webinars a week, Wednesday 4 p.m. and Sunday 4 p.m., where I go over the market. I do the analysis, I scan the market, and then we discuss about like which one, all the trade setup, the good setups are there, and how to trade those setups in the next couple of days. So that is also a big help. The webinar, we get together and all of that, right? My one-on-one coaching is over the Zoom, and I personally teach every single thing you need to learn. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos on time. I constantly posting videos about like analysis, US dollar analysis or yen index analysis, and different analysis to catch some good trades. Here you can see all of my previous trades, recent trades, right? And here you can see before and after charts. On my website, you can see my analysis that this is like, for example, pound Aussie, that I said we're going to go up there, and then look what happened to this. Beautiful, right? And this is the trade I got because of this chart, right? Similarly, I have analysis charts all over the place here. You can see, you can go one by one here, right? This one I said going to the upside. This is gold, right? Wave 5 going to the upside. You see this? Beautiful. It goes to the upside. It's exactly the way I have it, right? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, coming down for 4, and look, it came down for 4. Very beautiful, right? So once you have, you learn how to do these analysis, you can, very, very easy, handle the trades. Either you're trading Forex or indices or anything else, or even gold or oil or silver or whatever, right? So this is it for now. And I hope to see you in my webinars.